Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see conversation between two people in English. Let's move on to the video.
Hey, Jessica.
Hello, Damon.
I got a bit late.
We have a meeting with the boss.
Oh, boss is calling. Boss, we are on the way to office. We'll reach there in a bit. Okay, see you in the office. Bye.
He seems angry.
Maybe. But I have completed my work according to the deadline given by the boss. Get in the car fast. We need to rush.
Before going to the office, we need to halt at a tech shop.
Oh, is it? But why?
My cell phone is cracked and I have to invest in another one.
Oh, that's sad. We will halt at the shop near the office.
So, may I ask you a question?
Yes. Sure.
How is your experience working with the company?
As far as my experience is concerned, I am quite happy and satisfied with my work profile and the salary. What about you?
I am not quite happy with my job as the working hours are high. I will find a new job soon.
Oh well. Good luck then. We are about to reach the tech shop. You go ahead. I am right behind you.
Come soon. The cell phones look so classy.
Hello. Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you?
Hey, good morning. I am looking for a cell phone.
Sure, ma'am. Do you have any special requirements?
No, not as such.
Do you prefer any specific brand?
No.
We have Apple, Samsung, and Oppo.
I prefer 256 GB in latest software.
Okay, then I think Apple will be the most appropriate one for you. We have all the models you can check out.
Okay, sure.
So which phone did you select?
This one.
Oh, that looks slim and portable.
Okay, I will do the payment and will be right back. I have selected Apple Series 11, 256 gigabytes.
Oh, good choice, ma'am. Which color would you prefer?
Black.
Okay, card or cash?
Card.
Oh, that's great. Here is your phone, ma'am.
Thank you.
Are you done?
Yes.
Get in the car or else we will be late.
Let's go.
We will reach office in 5 minutes.
I am petrified. The boss seemed annoyed on the call.
Oh, don't you worry, nothing is gonna happen.
Let's see what happens. Drive the car fast. We need to reach office at the speed of light.
Yes, we are about to reach. We have reached the office.
Yes, thank you for the ride. See you.
Bye, see you. Halt means to stop. Invest is to buy. The word classy means stylish and superior. Meaning of the word requirement is thing that is needed or wanted. Portable simply means easy to carry. Example, a portable television. Petrified means to fear. And annoy is to be angry.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to never miss an update from Star Kids Learning.